should have known you was in here. I saw the dripping from the driveway. Follow the drip, follow the drip. They've never had no problem finding it.
YouTube, this is your boy Molo the Barber. This is CutSome Mo. I'm coming to you now a little bit about my wave journey, my 360 wave journey. As you can see, baby, I'm a graver. I'm a gray waver, okay? And just getting the process started. This is gonna be my first week progress, and what I'm doing is, it takes me about 12 weeks to really get a nice, healthy, full head of solid waves. Now I'm gonna tell you, I'm a coarse hair waver, so it's not gonna be as dynamic and as fresh at first as someone who's a softer hair waver. But for me, is a couple of products that I have to use in the beginning. There's a few things I gotta do in terms of brushing constantly. See, if you got hair like I have, if you're a coarse hair waver, it's gonna take a lot of work. Or you gotta keep that brush moving. You cannot slack on your brush game. You cannot slack on your brush game. You have to brush and brush and brush and brush. You cannot slack on it. It's something that's gotta be done. So one of the first things that I wanna talk about, what I use is, it's a household name. Like everybody knows about Sporting Waves. Like everybody uses it. This is not very good for your hair. A lot of people will tell you that. It does have petroleum in it, and that is not good for your hair, but it is good to start waves. This is not a good long-term product to use, but this is really good to start with. And my suggestion would be, now man, with everything that's going on in terms of the knowledge that you find on YouTube and all of the information that's out there, and this being such a information-oriented time period, man, you can make your own stuff, man. And I've got this right here. This is a combination of essential oils. I'm talking pure lavender, pure rosemary, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, also coconut oil, and aloe vera. So this stuff right here is not only good for your hair, great for your hair, it is great for your scalp. Healthy scalp, healthy hair. Okay, now I start out using this. My 12-week joint. This is what I do. I start out using this for the first 3 weeks, okay? Then for about 6 weeks, I use both of these, right? The last 3 weeks, I just use this. And then after that, I really don't have to use anything. If I just keep the brush down, keep the waves tied down properly each night, I'm all good. So I'm gonna take you with me on my 12-week journey. We rocking out. I am at the end of week 1. I wore like a mohawk, like a fade for a while, then I cut it off. I was going like bald for a little while, but now I just started to let the hair grow. This is about maybe 2 weeks of growth from the last haircut that I had. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let me show you what we're working with. So this is where we at so far. Now there's some ripples. There's some ripples and some crinklage there. Okay, this is not deep. We're not deeply rooted yet. We're not deeply rooted yet. We still getting started. We in the beginning phases. We just getting it started. But it's happening. As you can see, it is happening and it's going down. So that's where we at. And what I've been doing, man, just a lot of brushing, bro. A lot of brushing, hell of a lot of brushing. That's what I've been doing. Hell of a lot of brushing. And that's what you're gonna have to do, man. Especially if you like me, if you are a coarse hair waver, you're gonna have to brush constantly, brush non-stop. You know what I'm saying? You at the job and the boss tell you, hey man, you need to put that brush down. You say, yes sir, and he turn his back, you get back to the brushing. You know what I'm saying? You in church, they bringing forth the word, you bringing forth the brush. You know what I'm saying? You're telling people be quiet, you don't want to wake up the waves, and you just go and brush. You just continue to brush. And that's how we rocking, man. That's what we doing. So this is week 1 of my wave journey. I really hope that I say something or do something along this time to help somebody out, man. If you're starting out like me and you are a coarse hair waver, because you can see, bro, like it's getting real. The crinkleage is real. The crinkleage is real. This is not something that I be playing with. We doing this for real. It is a lifestyle. And I'm an old school graver, gray hair waver, and we getting it in. So much love to all of you, man. Remember, this is the big homie Mo the Barber. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. No matter what you do, man, stay wavy.